Hello everyone, this is a quick video guide on how to create your first single-use form with FillFaster. Single-use form is a regular form you create for a specific one-time purpose. It includes all the information inside and just needs the recipient's signature. This is typically used in customized contracts, reports, and agreements. First, log into your FillFaster account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Dashboard tab. Click Create a new form, then select Create a single-use form. Upload the PDF file you need. You may change the title of your document under Form Title. You may also add and upload your logo by just clicking Choose Logo File under Form Settings. You can also add your logo and configure other default settings from your dashboard under the Single-Use Forms section by clicking on Edit Settings. When you're done with the settings, click the Start Building button to proceed. Now add new input fields by clicking Add New Input Field button located at the upper right portion of the form builder. To select which type of field you need, such as signature, full name, email, date, etc., click on the drop-down box under Type, then choose. If you need the form to be signed multiple times, you may add duplicate signature fields as many times as needed. By doing that, the recipient will only have to sign once, and all of the other duplicate signature fields will automatically be signed as well. Once you're done adding fields in the document and it's ready, click on Add Recipient Info. Fill out the recipient info correctly. You may also set an access code if needed. If you're sending this via WhatsApp, click on the WhatsApp tab, then add the recipient's phone number. For emails, click on the Email tab, then fill out. If you just want to get a link that can be shared to any platform you want, click on the Copy Link tab. After choosing the channel on which you want to share the link and you think you're done, you may now proceed and click on Create Submission Link button. If you wish to create another submission link, click the Create Another Submission Link button.